Dispense hot and cold water with this bottom-load self-cleaning Igloo water dispenser. This bottom loader gives you ice-cold and piping hot water in just seconds. This water dispenser allows you to load 3 or 5-gallon bottles with no plumbing required. There is a child safety lock for the hot button so there are no accidents. The ozone self-cleaning function helps prevent the formation of bacteria so you can drink with peace of mind. Satisfy your thirst with cool water or relax with a hot beverage using the brand you can trust. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Convenient bottom loading dispenser. Features an easy-to-use, convenient bottom-loading water system, eliminating any lifting, flipping, and spilling while keeping the bottle tucked away in a bottom-load cabinet. Suitable for 3 and 5-gallon water bottles, not included. Number 2. Innovative design. Freestanding slim, black and stainless steel space-saving design is ideal for any space, making it perfect for homes, kitchens, offices, dorm rooms and more. Number 3. Hot and cold water. When you use our water dispenser, choose between ice-cold and steaming hot water, perfect for cool, refreshing drinks and tea, coffee, hot cocoa, instant soup and more. Number 4. Safe and easy dispensing. 2 push buttons and 2 separate spigots for cold and hot water make dispensing easy and allow you to refill almost any sized cup, hassle-free. The hot water dispenser has a child safety lock, preventing any accidental pouring. Number 5. Self-cleaning. The ozone self-cleaning technology helps prevent the formation of bacteria-laden biofilm buildup and maintains the original quality of the bottled water. Number 6. Removable drip tray. The water dispenser is equipped with a removable drip tray, allowing for a quick and easy cleanup. Number 7. LED night light. Switch on the back allow you to turn on an LED night light, giving you a soft glow and a convenient nighttime assistant for people who are afraid of the dark or households with dark hallways and rooms. Number 8. On-off switches. Both the hot and cold on-off switches are located on the back of the water dispenser, giving you power-saving options as well as full control of when to heat and cool water. Number 9. 2 siphons. Comes with 2 different sized water siphons, working with both 3 and 5-gallon bottles. Number 10. Direct water hookup. Instead of restocking the water dispenser with 3 and 5-gallon bottles, this water dispenser allows you to hook up to a water line for one continuous flow. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.